Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with RealtyMogul for property investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering with RealtyMogul, visit their official website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets their security requirements. Make sure to review the terms and conditions. Once you've completed the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification link from RealtyMogul. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the RealtyMogul website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in additional information such as your investment experience and financial details. This information will help tailor your investment opportunities. After completing your profile, explore the investment offerings available. You can browse through different property investments listed on the platform. Select an investment you are interested in for more details. Review the investment summary, projected returns, and associated risks. If you decide to invest, follow the prompts to complete your investment process. Make sure to read any additional documents before finalizing your investment. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email regarding your investment. You can track your investments through your RealtyMogul dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to start investing with RealtyMogul. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.